Guys, this thing runs absolutely amazing. It's been given a full frame off restoration. One of our clients gave this to us to sell it for him, along with 5 other bikes. And I'll bring you inside and tell you all about it. Just want to note a couple things first. Runs excellent, but there's an issue with the transmission. When you get it, it's geared very high. I must have a really high ratio on the countershaft sprocket, but first gear is geared really high. First and second and fourth are good, but in third, it slips. The gear slips a little bit, so it must need a shift fork or some kind of repair in the transmission. We're selling it as is. It runs great. It was very difficult to start without pop starting it, but when it was cold. But as you can see, it's been completely frame off restored, just probably assembled incorrectly, or it has a worn gear. Guys, another rare, super rare classic beauty. This is a 74 Husqvarna 250 CR Mag for magnesium engine cases. This was a super light, 217-pound, out-of-the-box, race-ready weapon where the average Saturday racer could pick this up and be competitive at the national level right out of the box. This is a 1-year-only model. It's been 100% restored with a brand new standard bore top end. The engine was completely rebuilt with new crank and rod, all new seals, all new bearings and gaskets. The original Bing carb was completely rebuilt. The original air box and air intake is in mint shape with a brand new air filter on it. The engine has been completely restored inside and out, and the original exhaust is in absolutely pristine condition. Everything's new on the bike, including new Pirelli Starcross tires, new tubes, new chrome spoke kit. The vapor blasted Acron rims and hubs were repainted. New wheel bearings, new brakes. All the controls are new. It's got new Magura dog leg brake lever, clutch lever, and purchase. The original tank is a work of art. That's the original tank. Has been restored with a new 3-stage fuel impervious paint and graphics. Very expensive to restore this way, but if you're actually going to put fuel in it, then this is the only way to get it right. The tank turned out simply beautiful. This is the original Swedish steel petrol tank, not in a Chinese reproduction. Has a new seat and cover. The original Husqvarna handlebars were restored. Has the correct Magura throttle, and the fenders on this are the new top-of-the-line shiny BMX fenders. They don't come any better than that. The air filter is a new Uni brand foam air filter, and like I said, the original pipe and cylinder is near perfect. The original reed cage cylinder is excellent with no fin damage. The suspension was completely rebuilt. The forks received new seals and new oil, and the lowers were repainted, and you can see it has the new dust covers on the forks. The rare Girling rear shocks with the cooling fins were cosmetically restored. The chains and sprockets are like new. The fit and finish on the whole bike is spectacular. It's show ready. Like I said, new spokes were laced to the really nice restored vapor blasted original rims. Big gnarly knobby Pirelli Garacross tires. The new number plates all the way around. Lots of new hardware. Again, the engine is in pristine condition, beautifully restored, runs good, no oil leaks. The original brake lever is perfectly straight. The original pegs are perfectly straight. And I always recommend checking the frame rails and engine cases. And these look like these frame rails look absolutely freaking pristine. The engine cases look great. Just a really fine example of a 51-year-old classic Husqvarna. Check out the logo on the side and the beautiful Husqvarna logo here, and the original aluminum air boxes in good condition. New number plate. The brake stay and the chain guide are all excellent. The chain's new. Just a beautiful piece. Not too many of these survived in this condition. This one's ready to put on display or take it to the line and take a rip on it. If you have any question about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. We can ship this right to your house, roll on, roll off, white glove shipping, enclosed, licensed and insured. We can finance this in-house for you. And yeah, if you have any questions, give us a call. But one look at that beautiful red and chrome tank with the silver frame and the white fenders. Make no mistake, this is a 74 Husky Mag. Really a spectacular piece of machinery that was head and shoulders of most other bikes of this time. The Swedish quality is evident. Beautiful piece. Thanks for watching. God bless America.